Hi, how do you? Today we're going to draw a nice emoji, which is a big guy. He's smiling and with the thumbs up. So first we're going to put the eyeballs in the middle of this circle. So let's draw an elliptical eye in the middle, and around it we're going to draw another bigger elliptical circle, and just doing like the opposite to the left eye of this drawing. Okay, now we are going to put the eyebrow on top of it. It's like the symbol of a Nike logo, but looks like upside down. And this is the mouth we are going to draw now. The emoji, it's a graphical expressions of the emotions of the people shown everywhere, and this is very popular in case of chatting and other social media. All right, that's why all these drawings counts. If you learn to draw all these things, this is very wonderful, and you can show it everywhere. All right, so this is we are going to draw a thumbs up. Now I'm going to draw the fingers of the right hands. All right, okay. For the left hand we're drawing right now. Going to draw the fingers. All right, so you can see the whole expressions. This is just nicely done. Now we are going to draw the eyebrow here. This is pointy on both sides. Also the pointy on both sides. Um, all right. All right. Alright, so the thing we have drawn is going to be more expressive and more nice. For the the tongue, this is going to be red in color. Alright, okay. Now we are going to put the bright color all over the spaces inside the bigger circle. Let's put the color with the use of a marker.